cloud-based app development is revolutionizing the way businesses operate. By leveraging the power of the cloud, companies can achieve unprecedented levels of flexibility, scalability, and cost efficiency. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the essential aspects of developing and launching a cloud-based app, ensuring you make the most of this transformative technology. Why are companies flocking to cloud computing? The benefits are numerous. Cost reduction is a significant factor. Cloud computing helps companies cut operational costs, allowing them to invest more in their core business. Improved performance is another advantage. Cloud servers with their high-speed connectivity outperform traditional servers. Flexibility is key. Businesses can create virtual servers on demand, deploying them only when needed. Scalability is also a major benefit, enabling companies to quickly expand by adding extra servers. According to industry leaders, the savings from cloud adoption far outweigh the initial costs, making it a smart investment for any business. Private cloud. Understanding the difference between public and private clouds is crucial. Public clouds offer shared resources, which can lead to security concerns and potential unavailability when resources are in high demand. In contrast, private clouds provide dedicated capacity within an organization's infrastructure, ensuring data security and availability. This makes private clouds a preferred choice for businesses that handle sensitive information. Cloud computing solutions come in three main types: software as a service, SaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and infrastructure as a service, IaaS. SaaS is the most popular, offering software applications over the internet. PaaS provides a platform allowing customers to develop, run, and manage applications without dealing with the underlying infrastructure. IaaS offers virtualized computing resources over the internet, giving businesses the flexibility to scale their infrastructure as needed. Security is a top priority in cloud computing. Businesses must evaluate their current IT infrastructure and data storage to determine if a cloud solution is suitable. Encrypting and storing data in the cloud can prevent unauthorized access. Companies must also use strong data encryption and secure sockets layer, SSL, to protect their data. Business virtual private networks, VPNs, are essential for securing communication channels, especially when using public Wi-Fi networks. These measures ensure that sensitive data remains protected, and businesses comply with regulations requiring notification within 72 hours of a data breach. Developing software in the cloud offers numerous advantages, but it also presents challenges. Developers can work from anywhere and use application program interfaces, APIs, to scale applications on the fly. However, testing applications in the cloud environment, such as Amazon Web Services, AWS, can differ significantly from local testing. Developers must adhere to AWS security standards and thoroughly test their applications to avoid issues like broken APIs and performance discrepancies. Clients today demand more from their applications, whether it's availability on multiple devices or usability in different languages. To meet these demands, developers must increase their efficiency. By improving coding speed and work rate, developers can deliver high-quality apps more quickly and at a lower cost. For instance, if a developer can complete the same app in half the time, they will need less hardware and can charge less for their services, ultimately providing greater value to clients. Successful cloud development requires careful planning and investment. Conducting thorough market research is the first step. Understanding what people want, what they are willing to pay for, and how they will use your product is crucial. Hiring the right development team is also essential. While freelance developers may lack the necessary skills, in-house teams require significant investment. Outsourcing to experienced companies can be a cost-effective solution, providing the expertise needed to develop robust cloud-based applications. By following these steps, businesses can ensure their cloud development projects are successful and meet their goals.